Hello again. Well, it's certainly been an unsettled end to the week. Storm Ashley brought outbreaks of rain and those strong, gusty winds throughout today too. Now you can see as we go through tonight and tomorrow, it does remain blustery, but the rain will be clearing, and for most of us, there's a good deal of dry weather in the forecast, and things will start to settle down a touch as we move through the next couple of days. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of tonight, it's still quite blustery at the moment, but the rain clearing, and for most of us, it will be dry with lengthy clear skies for a good part of the night. Although by the end of the night, we're going to see some thicker cloud working its way towards us, and our temperatures there ranging between 11 and 13 degrees. So for many of us, a bit of a grey start to Monday morning. We might just see the odd bit of rain just creeping into southern parts, but for most of us, it will be a largely dry day. We'll see some bits of brightness at times, and those winds will be easing off too. Not quite as mild as what it was today, though. We're looking at highs there up to around 14, possibly even 15 degrees in places. And then looking further ahead, we can see as we move into Tuesday, we've got high pressure here down towards the south, trying to build back in, which means for many of us, there should actually be a good deal of quiet weather, certainly on Tuesday and Wednesday, with some bright or sunny spells. So all in all, looking ahead towards the next few days, once we get tonight out of the way, it is looking a lot quieter for many of us. There will be some sunny spells around, the odd shower here and there, but temperatures not quite as mild as what they have been today. They've been well above average, whereas over the next few days, we're back down to around 14 to 16 degrees. That's still fairly mild for the time of year. And our nights remain fairly mild. That is until we get to the end of the working week. Bye-bye. Hello there. Well, Storm Ashley has certainly delivered some lively conditions across the UK so far today. You can see on the satellite and radar from earlier, we've got the rain which has been across the west is continuing to push its way eastward. It certainly will be blustery out there for a time too. This is how it's looking as we go through the afternoon. Eventually that rain will push its way out of the way, and some lovely spells of sunshine will be developing behind it, but it does remain windy throughout today, but temperatures on the mild side, highs there 15 or 16 degrees. Now as we go through tonight, the chance of the odd shower, but for most of us it will be dry. We've got clear skies tonight. The winds eventually starting to ease off a touch, though still quite blustery as we move into Monday morning, and lows tonight down to around 11 degrees. Bye-bye. Hello there. So Storm Ashley has certainly delivered some lively conditions across the UK so far today. And if we take a look at the satellite and radar from early, you can see quite messy out there. We've got this rain continuing to push its way eastwards, and it will remain rather blustery too. So this is how it's looking for us as we go through today. Well, actually for most of us, it will be largely dry for a good part of the afternoon. Bright or sunny spells, but it will remain blustery out there today. And temperatures, though, above average for the time of year. Highs of 16 degrees, 16 is 61 in Fahrenheit. Now, as we go through this evening, there may just be one or two showers around, but for most of us, it will be dry, and we'll see lengthy clear skies tonight, although not too cold, with temperatures ranging between 9 and 11 degrees. Bye-bye. Hello there. So Storm Ashley bringing wet and windy conditions across parts of the UK throughout today. You can see on the satellite and radar from earlier, the rain that has been across the west is pushing its way eastwards. So certainly over the next few hours or so, cloudy with outbreaks of rain at times, blustery winds, lower temperatures are remaining on the mild side at least, highs there up to around 18 degrees. Now later on this afternoon, that rain will push its way eastwards, and behind it we will see some clear skies. It does remain blustery for a time, although those winds will start to ease as we edge overnight. Although by the time we get to dawn, thicker cloud will be working its way across us, and that's going to take many of us into a bit of a grey start on Monday morning. Do have a lovely rest of day, and I'll see you later on. Bye-bye.